Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is T. I'm a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer. And today we are in the kitchen instead of the van. So guys, today for dinner we are making Chipotle bowls. If you're not familiar with them, you should get familiar with them. So guys, I have my pork shoulder here. Or pork, yeah, it's pork shoulder. Well, you can use pork butt, you can use beef, you can use whatever you want. Today I am using pork shoulder. Guys, I've already put salt in it. I put some lard in here, and I'm going to sear them back and forth, guys. You don't want to burn them. You don't want to steam them, guys. That's just pretty hot. So I'm just going to stick them in here, guys. And I'm going to let them sear on both sides. And then, guys, we're going to add some ingredients to them and cook them for 32 minutes after that. So guys, if you haven't tried the Chipotle bowl, I strongly suggest that you go try them at Chipotle's. Now, the ingredients are right there in front of you, so you can make these at home. They don't ever put enough meat in there for me, so at home I can put all the meat I want in there. I usually take some rice, white rice. It's usually, I think it's white cilantro lime rice. Did I say rice? Ew. Rice. Lime and rice. Just mess it up real quick, guys. So anywho, yeah. So I'm gonna throw a couple of these garlic in here just to give it a flavor. I'm also gonna shoot it up a little bit more with some garlic powder. And guys, if you haven't noticed, I love garlic. Oh, my goodness. If I could grow it outside, I would. So guys, I'm gonna let them sear up a little bit. So in my Chipotle bowls, we use lettuce, tomatoes, scratch that. Lettuce, rice, white rice, typically infused with a little bit of lime juice. And sometimes cilantro. Usually throw cilantro in there. But you don't want to amount of cilantro because I threw that away yesterday. Some black beans, some corn, some picante sauce, some kind of salsa. Don't have to be picante sauce. I typically make stuff, but I haven't made any in a while. So, and then we top it off with crema, which is it's like a sour cream, but it's a Spanish style sour cream, kind of the same consistency, a little bit different in flavor, but not too far from sour cream. So I usually use crema, and then typically for that, sometimes we put them in corn tortillas, but when it's a bowl, you literally put it in a bowl, and then you get you some like corn tortillas, chips, and let me tell you, that's how I like them. So that's what's for dinner tonight, guys, and that's what I'm working on right now. The reason I like to do it this way, obviously, is because it's quicker, and you can set it, guys, and walk away. And I like to walk away from the kitchen sometimes. So that's what's going on, guys. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. Oh, it smells good already. I know a lot of people don't eat pork, but I eat pork, so if you're a vegetarian, I apologize. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing today. It's about to rain, and I mean pouring rain. Guys, what are your favorite meals? Can you tell me what your favorite meals are? I do like to cook. I can cook. Sometimes I make tamales, sometimes I make menudos, I make carnitas, sopa, which is a soup, caldo. And I usually make that with chicken. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you have me on your Facebook, you've seen I post, a lot of food there as well. I'm really addicted to ramen right now, and not just plain old ramen. Again, if you're on my Facebook, you see my ramen bowls. They are fantastic. In fact, I had it last night as well. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna sear those up, let them sear up a little bit, and I'll show you my next step. Welcome back, guys. So, guys, my camera's a little bit off, and I do apologize. Sorry. So there you have it, guys. I forgot to tell you, this is one of the main ingredients. Make sure you get it. And guys, this is what I'm saying. Crema. It's cream, like sour cream, but Spanish style. Guys, look at this. Look at this meat. Just look at it. Oh, I wish you could smell that, guys. I really do. And then, guys, I'm going to show you inside here real quick, if I can. Let me see if I can. Look at that juice. I don't know why I can never, there you go. Guys, look at that juice. You know what I do with that juice? I'll tell you what I do with it. Ramen. I make ramen at home. Like, I eat ramen a lot. But not just regular ramen. I mean, I put mushrooms and teriyaki sauce and a lot of garlic, scallions. I saute all that together, guys. When I say delicious, I mean delicious. And I chop it off with like some onion crumbles. You just don't even know. So guys, that's what I'm talking about right here, okay? The crema, some cheese, some white corn chips, some salsa, whatever kind you prefer, onion, squeeze some lemon, and always garlic, guys. So guys, I want to say thank you for joining me today for this little video, and I hope that you're having a blessed day, and whatever you eat today, I hope it nourishes your body. Guys, thank you for always continuing to rock with me. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, comment, definitely comment. Guys, it helps me grow my channel. And guys, here's to another one. Have a blessed day. Guys, here it is. Chipotle bowl. Doesn't that look delicious? And guys, you cannot forget. And I mean cannot forget. The lime. You just sprinkle it all up on there. Look at that. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, I also wanted to brag real quick on my mother's apron that I'm wearing. She wore this for years. She made it, guys. She wore it for years from when I was a kid. And I when she passed, I did take it. So I love cooking in it. It brings me back to just how she made me feel with food and loving us and always cooking for us, making sure that we were nourished. Guys, thank you again for joining me on this little, just impromptu kind of cooking thing channel, if you will. It did rain today, so I did not get to work on Rango, but it's okay because we have other stuff that we got to do, right? So guys, I hope you have a great evening, and thank you for joining me. Stay blessed.